Alex, what are you doing?
I found a scale that goes for 400 pounds.
Okay.
And I was just curious what these things weigh.
Okay.
And welcome back, by the way.
Yeah, let's see what they weigh. So we're gonna compare trikes, big wheels.
I know we've done a weight comparison video before with the dirt bikes.
Yeah.
So we did the 500R versus 450R.
We got a brand new 450X right here. So this will be our weight tester for the dirt bikes, I guess. It's it's the only stock one we got here that hasn't been really molested yet. So
the only other one is that 450R, but
it's in pieces. All right, cool. So we got a YZ250 big wheel right here with our full kit. And guys, these are heavy. These are big tires. These are big tires. You got to remember that. But yeah, I'm curious to see what our trike kit stacks up like against our big wheel kit and go from there.
I'm curious what a real 250R weighs.
You want to see what that weighs too?
I'm going to pull out your 250R too. And see what that
Okay, so we're going to compare. You want to do that one or the one we...
This one's more stock. That one has the aftermarket arm on it.
Okay, so that one's got a heavier swing arm on it, so we're going to go with the stock one for weight. Cool. All right, man, it's dark in here.
Just to clarify, we're weighing everything wet.
Everything's wet.
That's all the wet weights.
Okay.
It's fully gas. It's full of oil.
Okay, cool. Yeah, obviously we just rode this thing in the video yesterday. If you guys didn't check out the drag race, go check it out. All right, so jack her up, man. Let's see what our trike weighs. Zoom in here. Yeah, it's a little dark in here. 295. 295.
Just to show that thing does reach zero.
Yeah, you can see, yeah, so let it zero out. Yep, we're at zero. Set it back down and it's jack.
Just wanted to clarify that thing. And again, 295 and a half.
All right, so I'm just gonna video the tires being off the ground. Tires are off the ground, guys. Cool. All right, so 295 on the YZ. Let's go to the next bike. What do we got here?
We got the old BW250.
BW250 YZ big wheel.
03
Yep. She's a heavy girl. Let's weigh it.
0 pounds.
So you're at zero. Let me go zoom in here. Little zero action. Okay, you're off the ground.
And at 286.
286. So we got full tank of gas, obviously coolant, oil, all the fun stuff. We probably bought the heaviest tires we could find. We will be doing tire comparisons soon. We're going to be weighing tires. We're going to be checking between 2-ply and let's say up to like 6 or 8-ply because again, these are utility ATV tires. They're very heavy. I can assure you the wheels are lightweight. But man, we got a lot of weight in these tires for sure. It's 286. So okay, so 286 for that guy. Let's weigh that brand new dirt bike right there. Let's see how much lighter that is. Cool.
This thing's feels.
This is a brand new 450X CRF 2022.
Made that mistake before.
Yep. Yeah, we thought our scale was broken.
Yeah. Are we gonna balance out for me? Okay.
So Honda says 275 on the website. We got 274.5. So we got what, 10 pounds between the two of these?
10 pounds from the two of them.
10 pounds between the two of them, guys. Not too bad. And again, this is more of a trail bike, but this is where the big wheel market is mostly targeted. Obviously, you can do YZs and all that fun stuff. I don't have a stock YZ to weigh, so unfortunately, this is what we got. But between this brand new bike off showroom floor and this 03 big wheel, we got 10 pounds. She's just at 275. So let's pull out the old 250R three-wheeler. Really curious to see what that thing actually weighs compared to our modern YZ. Let's take a look.
I know it's cooling in here, but there's a little bit of gas.
Half a tank, quarter tank.
Something like that.
Call it good enough, right?
Good enough.
Unless it's much lighter than our YZ, then maybe we'll fill it up, get a real weight out of it. But let's see what happens, guys. It's always fun messing around, doing a little experimentation. I like seeing where we're at and what stuff weighs. Okay, so you're at 0, now we're just going up.
That's awesome. 0 right there.
Yep, 0 out. What do we got there?
307.
307, man. So how much is that?
Got 10 pounds on us.
So that's 10 pounds heavier than a bike that has higher horsepower and it's wider, has longer travel suspension, all the fun stuff. It is crazy to me though, like how massive the forks are on those bikes and how there really is not much going on here, and this thing's still heavier.
Yeah.
So just is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm gonna look up the spec. I honestly don't even know what the OEM spec is for the dry weight on this thing. But yeah, this is 307 pounds, so just over 10 pounds heavier than the RYZ Trike build.
85 or 86? It's 85.
85. Yep, 1985 ATC250R.
I can't spell today. It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. It's when the week starts getting funny.
Dry weight 293.
Dry weight 293. Alrighty. Well,
It is full of food.
wet versus wet. We got that wet and this wet. Obviously, you guys know we've been riding the YZ. It's that much heavier. Surprising. I actually expected it to be a little bit lighter again because we got the tiny ass forks. It's skinny. It's not nearly as wide as those over there. Those have larger axles and all the, you know, let's say beefier swing arm, beefier triple clamps, all the fun stuff. So, all right, well, I guess they can comment and let us know what else they want us to weigh in the next video.
You guys say you want to weigh me, I'm heading out. I'm throwing it out there now.
Throwing it out there.
Just don't ask to see what I weigh. I'm fat.
So we're gonna get you playing with some masking tape here shortly.
Someone wants to see me play with masking tape.
Yeah.
They want to see me like Jim Carrey around my head. Is that what they want to see?
I really don't know, but yeah.
Well, if you're watching again, let me know. You want to see me Jim Carrey around my head? I got you. I'll do it.
Cool. Well, that was fun. Let's continue on. 690 video is coming up, guys. Just finishing some stuff up on it, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. It's always fun checking this stuff out. Again, we're not being super detail oriented. I mean, this thing would actually be heavier if we filled the gas tank up.
Yeah, we're not scientists.
And this isn't YZ to YZ, but this is a brand new bike off showroom floor. It's a 450 versus a 250 big wheel, so roughly 10 pounds between the two. I don't think that's too bad. This is a handful heavier than a stock 250, but you really honestly can't even feel it. All the weight's in the tires, it's down low. You really got to ride one to see how it is. So check out bbcoffroad.com or bbctrikes.com if you're interested in some trike kits. And what's our new website? Racing?
bbcracing.com.
bbcracing.com.
I have it saved in my favorites.
You're going to have that.
App will be out soon.
The app will be out.
So then we can just click on the app.
And you can go right to our site.
Yeah, be a lot easier.
And that's where all the giveaways are going to be.
Yep.
Perfect. All right, guys. See you in the next video.